Hi, and welcome to the monthly goals section, the first section in our goal planning area. So monthly goals is pretty straightforward. The general concept is each month you want to plan out ahead of time, really what do you want to accomplish? Are you trying to accomplish things in your business, in your art, in your finances? And you want to, try to plan that out as far as possible. So how we built this system to help you plan out your goals is we made a pretty straightforward button. Every time you want the elements of a month, you push the button, say we're thinking for January 2025. Now, below this, you have a toggle for admin goals. So these are things of, do you want to grow your business by, expanding, get 10 more people on my email list. Going to be connecting with galleries and working with other people. Studio goals, start working in a larger scale, finish a piece in a month. Or what other kind of creative goals, could be something more abstract. It could be exploring, spending more time exploring and trying new things. It could be, some creative research. And then finally, financial goals. Are you trying to sell a piece in January? Are you trying to like for teaching artists, pre-sell, 2 seats in your class? So whatever your goals are, we made a very simple system of admin, studio, and finances. And then every time you have a new month, say you're looking now for February 2025, and you can go through the same process. As you finish months, we recommend you put them in this pull-down toggle. We created another button here, so that way you can have and see what your goals were over each month for the last years. So say we're doing 2025. Say if we've gotten to, we're already in February, January's over, you can move that down to this pull-down section and then have each year so it stays nice and clean, and you can keep using this template over the years. So thank you.